In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change helicopter controls in GTA 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the main ways in which you will be able to customize the helicopter controls for GTA 5. So, whenever you are flying around, if you are having too much trouble with the default controls, you can change them by pausing the game, going over to settings, and under the keybind options that you will find at the left, you will see aircraft. So go to settings, find keybinders, and then choose aircraft. In here, you will be able to modify all of them. Keep in mind that according to my research and the testing that I did, you will only be able to change the keybinds for a keyboard. It seems like if you are using a gamepad, you won't be able to access the key bindings menu to change them. But if you are on PC using a keyboard and mouse, go over to keybinds and then aircraft. So you will have all of the individual actions. Aircraft throttle up, throttle down, yaw left, yaw right, roll left, and so on. Most of these are going to be assigned to the numpad. So it is expected that you have a numpad connected to your keyboard. Because a lot of modern keyboards don't have the numpad, it's important to change these bindings to something else if you don't have a numpad attached to your keyboard. And after you reassign all of these, you will be able to have them take effect in-game. You can do this inside of the game so you don't have to back out into the lobby, or if you are on single player, you will be able to do it. If you are online, you will be able to do it. There's no limitation, and all of the changes will take effect immediately. And if you want to modify your controller keybinds, you can open Steam, find GTA 5 regardless of the version, right-click, Properties, go into Controller, and then open the Controller Configurator. So if you are using a controller, you can change everything from here. And as long as you have a controller connected and you run GTA 5 through Steam, you will be able to modify these key bindings. I hope I was able to help you on how to change helicopter controls in GTA 5. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.